Recording in progress.
So, welcome back. This is another session recording for week 4 of Math 11246 Essentials of Applied Math. The content of week 3, we started with basic operation of algebraic expression. Then we talk about removing brackets of an expression, multiplication, division of expression, division of algebraic expression, the long division, polynomial division, what we call it. And then we did some practice of those long division, polynomial division questions. Okay, today we will learn a method called AC method or product sum factor, as many other books refer it. Okay. Factorizing an algebraic expression is the reverse process of multiplication of, right, as summarized earlier. So what we do in factorizing, we take the common factor, right, whose product can reproduce the expression. So for example, if you have to factorize x squared minus ax, what you do, take x out. So when you multiply x with both of them, you reproduce the original expression. Same thing here, a plus b and x. They can be factorizing to x plus a and x plus b. Right, these are very simple. The first one. So what we do, take x common and 5 plus x or x plus 5. Prefer to write them x plus 5 and 5 plus x, okay? But how do you do the second one, x squared plus 5x plus 6? How do you do the second one? Oh. That's where that AC method comes in, or product sum factor, right? This one here is what we have expressed above. So A is 2, B is 3, and 2 times 3 is 6, yeah? So what we do, if you can rewrite this as 2 plus 3x and 2 plus 3, and you call it x plus 2 and x plus 3 are factors of given expression. Okay, but we need a better approach, better method to deal any factorization. Okay, right. So we will cover those kind of stuff in a bit. Right. Whenever it comes to the fraction power, please watch them carefully. So the root will be written as the half power. Yeah. Minus 2xy power 3 over 2. 3 over 2 is 1.5 or 1 and 0.5. So I can always take 0.5 or half power common inside. It will be 1 power, isn't it? Yeah, 3 over 2 is 1.5, half is 0.5. I took that half power outside. And 1 power is the number itself. Yeah. Cool. Ben, any question? Feel free to, yeah.
All good so far.
Okay, cool. Factorize the following expression. Give it a go. Yeah. We realized that x squared is a common factor in the first two terms. We took it out, have a bracket x minus 3 and minus 2 common and x minus 3. The bracket has to be common, x minus 3. We took it out and remains in x squared minus 2. Yeah. Now, this AC method. Okay. In order to find factors of the quadratic expression of the form ax squared plus bx plus c, right? What we do is multiplying a and c, and that's why it's called AC method. Huh? I'm not sure how many other literature will call it AC method. I call it AC method, okay? Where the coefficients a and the constant c must be first multiplied and then two factors of the product whose addition or subtraction produce b. Okay? One of such method is called AC method. What it does, step number 1, multiply a and c. Okay, those who are not confident factorizing quadratic expression using this method, please pay attention here. Multiply a and c. Factorize the product AC, right? Then if the product is positive, you add the factors. But if the product is negative, you subtract the factors to achieve your B. Write the factor in place of B in any order with appropriate sign and factorize in pairs. I would say stop the recording here, take a screenshot, keep it handy, or take a photo from your mobile phone as we practice along. Okay? Right. Let's look at an example. 3x squared plus 7x minus 6. Would you like to give it a go? Oh, let me do the first one for you. Okay. So what do we got here? A is 3, B is 7, C is minus 6. First step is to multiply. Yeah. Yes. So first of all, we multiply A and C. Yes. 18. Is it positive or negative? Negative. So we will add or subtract? Subtract. Negative is subtract. Yeah. So first step is multiply A and C. It's a step-by-step return everything, right? Which is negative 18, right? Factorize the product of AC, and since minus 18, which can be factorized in the following ways: 1 and 18, 2 and 9, 3 and 6. That's it. Can't be factorized with other ways. Okay. Second step says if the product is positive, add the factors. If they are negative, subtract the factor. It is negative, so I will choose two factors whose subtraction will produce 7. What do you think? Two factors when subtracted give 7.
9 and 2.
9 and 2. And we'll keep 9 as positive and 2 as negative because 9 minus 2 is plus 7 and we need plus 7. Yeah. Here S is negative 18, which is negative. We choose the factor whose subtraction is plus 7. Those are 9 and 2. At every step, keep checking if you have the required factors. If so, stop. So if you realize here that 2 times 9 is 18 and 9 minus 2 is 7, don't worry about writing the next one. Yeah, sometimes the list is very long. Right. Write the factors in place of B in any order. So 7x I will write as 9 minus 2. So what I got finally, 3x squared plus 7x minus 6. This 7 I have rewritten as 9 minus 2. And then I work them in pairs. 3x common, x plus 3 minus 2 common, x plus 3. Again, x plus 2 common, right? X plus 3, sorry. And remains is 3x minus 2. Yeah, makes sense? Good. If so, try this one. Okay, so this is a step by step. I'm going to follow this steps pattern for a few questions because I was getting a feedback in previous term that many students are not comfortable doing it. And when I look at the assignment, I confirm that. So I'm going to follow this method step by step the way I did in example 4. So anyone following will get a good practice and habit of working it out. Yeah, this is very easy. Sometimes it's complex. So first step is A, B, C, multiply A and C, which is 3, which is positive, factorize 3, which can be only factorized in 1 and 3 and -1 and -3. Which one will you choose? -1 and -3. The product is positive. You add the factors, so -1 and -3, which gives you -4. How do you write -4? Minus x and -3x, or the other way. It doesn't matter. Right? Factorize in pairs. So write them x squared minus 4x plus 3, x squared minus x minus 3x plus 3. Write them in pairs. So this 4x is, come on. Did it say 503? No. It didn't say. Says. That's not good. Okay, I'll write it down. Oh, MDL. Anyway, that's fine. I'll fix that thing. That's my part. Yes. So what I was saying, this minus 4x will be written as minus x and 3, and then you make pairs. Yeah. X common x minus 1, minus 3 common x minus 1, then take x minus 1 common, and then you're left with x minus 3. Okay. Factorize the following quadratic expression. Give it a go. Correct? What do you got?
Plus 2 negative 3 on the captain. So it's
Yep. And the final factors are the answer.
6 plus 2 and 6 minus 3. I mean, x minus 2 and x minus 3.
X minus 2 and x minus 3. Yes, x plus 2 and x minus 3. Good, 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 good. Great. Right. So what is your A, B, and C? It's 1, minus 1, and minus 6. Multiply AC, which is minus 6. Yeah, I can write it down. That helps. 1, minus 1, and minus 6. This is minus 6. Minus 6 can be factorized as 1 and 6, 2, and 3. Yeah, it is negative. Minus 6, which is negative. So we will subtract the factors to get minus 6. Write the factors of B in any. We will write minus 6 as, what do you say? 6, 3 and minus 3 and plus 2, or 2 minus 3. Yeah. Factorize in pair. So what you got? X squared minus x minus 6. That is x squared minus 3x plus 2x minus 6. Make pairs. X common x minus 3 plus 2 common x minus 3. And finally, x minus 3 and x plus 2. Always quickly check at least the last term. Minus 3 times plus 2 is minus 6, which is your part of the question. If that match, most likely your answer is correct. Yeah. Next question, 8x squared minus 18x plus 9. Give this a go.
Brain was just short-sighted about that we can do that. I said, no.
First term doesn't match when you multiply.
You know what? I'm leaving. I'm actually leaving. Okay, so it's
What you picked up as the factors is right.
I completely ignored the 8 after actually. So back up. I've got this one.
You got it, Ben?
Sorry. I'm having trouble thinking of all the factors of 72.
The table. And you know, the good thing about the table, like let me pick up some example where there was multiple row. Let me go back. Like this one. Start with 1. If you observe the table, I start with 1. 1 times 72 is 72. Then 2 and 36. Then 3 and 24. 4 and 18. 5 doesn't exist for that. 6 and 12. If 5 is not there, then 10 is not there as well. What is it? 6 and 12, 7 is not there. 8 and 9. And then 9 and 8, and then it's reverse. Think on a table form.
Yeah.
You want me to
All
repeat
good.
what I said?
Yeah.
1 and 72, 2 and 36, 3 and 24, 4 and 18, 6 and 12, 8 and 9.
Okay. Yeah,
the
I've got it
factors.
now. It's x minus 6 and x minus 12, right?
You did the same mistake that we did here. You cannot ignore the 8x squared. It's not simply x squared.
Oh, yeah, sorry.
So you'll have to write it down. So 8x squared minus 12x minus 6x plus 9. And then
Yeah.
factorize. What's your factor?
It's 6 and minus 6 and minus 4.
That's right. Yep. And the final factors, final answer?
2x take 3 and 4x take 3.
4x take 2x minus 3, 4x take 3 plus 9, that's 12 and 6. Yep, that's perfect.
Yeah.
Correct?
Yeah.
Cool. And these are the steps. And that's why I said follow the steps until you are super confident that you can do it in your brain or you can do it in 3, 4 steps. Follow the longer approach. because then it's clear in your brain. A, B, and C, multiply A and C, 72. How would you factorize 72? There is a table here, and they are in order. 1 and 72, 2 and 36, 3 and 24, 4 and 18, 6 and 12, 8 and 9. It's positive in our case, so we'll add the factors, right? So 6 and 12, that means minus 6 and minus 12 as well. So minus 18 is written as minus 6 and minus 12, or the other way. Factorize in pair, 8x squared minus 18x plus 9 minus 18 is written as minus 12 and 6, and then work in pairs. 4x common, 2x minus 3, 2x minus 3, that's common. Left is 4x minus 3. Always cross-check your answer, always. So in your mind, 4x and 2x, 8x squared, good job. Minus 3 and minus 3 plus 9, good job. Then the middle will match. Yeah, okay. We'll do a few more practice of this type. This is a baby question if you've done the previous one.
And yes, why not? I have possible. Yeah. Yes. Redo it. Don't do it. Then I was in
The more you keep saying it, the more it will haunt you down.
Oh, you've done the answer.
Yeah.
A simple question. What did you got wrong?
Fine thoughts, I'm telling you.
Come on, don't let me take over your podium spot.
Oh, okay, that's why I didn't get it right. I put the 2x on the wrong side. That makes sense.
Okay.
It shouldn't really matter what side you put it on.
As long as you are getting it right. So your factors will be 2x squared minus 3x minus 2x. So you'll take x common and 2x minus 3. And that's what will happen in the second one. Yeah. All good, Ben?
Oh, good.
Here we go. Again.
This one's the wrong.
Oh, what the? Wait a second. I just did that.
Oh, you're looking at a laptop as well?
Oh, no, I just have like a bunch of them.
Oh,
Like
cool.
a bunch of the
Questions?
textbooks
Yeah.
questions. I just have them all in
Yeah.
the text.
Oh, good. Oh, good.
Just, well, it's not going to go with.
Correct? Yeah. Yeah. Very good. Right. Now let's pause here for a minute. I don't mean pause the recording, pause everything else. How about if we had to do the same question in our brain without writing a bit? Ready, Fiona?
Yeah.
Okay. So first thing is we do the same process 2 times 3. So it's 6. 6x squared y squared, right? We got 7. How would you get 7? It's 1 and 6. So you kind of know that writing, you are picturizing those things. So 2x squared plus xy plus 6xy plus 3y squared, right? So I split 7 as xy and 6xy. Okay. Now, 2x squared plus xy, what is common? Only y is common. I repeat again. It's hard to visualize, but this is how you will really sharpen your brain. 2x squared plus xy. See, everything is written here. If you don't follow it, that's fine. Watch the screen, watch the recording. It's fine. Yeah, I'm just forcing our brain to work smarter, right? 2x squared plus xy, take x common. So in the bracket, it will leave 2x and y, 2x plus y. The other was 6xy and 3y squared. Take 3y common. Again, 2x plus y. Take 2x plus y outside. The other one was x plus 3y, and that's the answer. So if you can think in that way, it will not only help with Kahoot, it will train your brain and you will be able to pick your mistake very quickly. Okay. One more. How about we do it in our brain first? Yeah. So let's drop the pen. Let's drop the pen. Thank you. Think about the factors first. 3 and 6, 18. How would we split 18 to get 11? Excellent. 9 and 2. I'll start with 3x squared plus 9xy. No, 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 no. Nothing. No. Oh, you're writing the answer. Sorry. Go on. Yep. 3x squared plus 9xy plus 2xy plus 3y, 6y squared. 3x squared plus 9xy. We take 3x common, x and 3y. Yeah. We got 2xy and 6y squared. We again got 2y common, right? That is x and 3y. That's it. Got everything. X and 3y, x plus 3y and 3x and 2y. Yes, that should be the answer. Now do it on a piece of paper and let's see if your answer is matching. Yeah. Yeah, 3x plus 2y and x plus 3y. Quickly verify the first term, 3x times x, 3x squared, awesome. 2y times 3y, 6y squared, awesome. The intermediate step would match. Okay, so having done some decent amount of practice for this PSF or AC method, factorizing of quadratic expression, let's move forward and talk about algebraic fraction operation, which is nothing but extension of what we have been doing. But there'll be a quadratic polynomial on a top in the denominator, right? You just factorize and cancel the common factors, right? Okay. Factorize requires sum to be changed in product, the same AC method, which we call it, and then canceling the common factors. So something like this. What you do, factorize the numerator, factorize the denominator, and then cancel out the products, the factors which are common. Yeah. So I would do it here, right? 1 times 3 is 3. How would I do it? X minus 1 and x minus 3 are the factors. In the denominator, 3 and 2, so x minus 3 and x plus 2, x minus 3 is gone. The answer is x minus 1 over x plus 2. Yeah. Okay. It's done so nicely. So my superb writing, I erase it. The first step is to factorize the numerator and denominator via AC or any other method. X1 minus 4x plus 3, the factors are here. X1 minus x plus minus 6, the factors are here. Put them at the place, cancel x minus 3. What remains is the answer. Yeah. Makes sense? It's just factorizing and then canceling the common factor. Give this one a go.
Why did you tell me?
I think it's after us. Nothing mean, but it's happened. Sorry, Ben, we were just celebrating because we could turn the aircon off. Such a big achievement.
Fair enough. I know how cold some of
It's
those rooms
very
get.
cold in here. It looks like there are 10 AC working in the room with 4 big vent and everything, you know.
It's to show you, so I want to show you the polynomials.
That's fine. This one, it's the areas to, this is also, yeah, that would say.
I need a good night's sleep.
I think the same.
I didn't mean, oh, we come off. I was halfway up. So
Yes, you were partly right. Yeah.
Half marks, right?
Yeah, you will, if it is
I
a
would
3-mark
have-
question, I would say 1.5 for that at least. Yeah, yeah.
The generosity.
The first step is to factorize the numerator and denominator via AC or in the method. So quadratic is fine, but the denominator is a cubic. But we have seen this question. I think it was example 2 or 3.
Yeah, that's right. I think I just skipped it and it's
Yeah.
like in my head, I think x squared are perfect. So just
Yeah, yeah.
chuck it out. I didn't finish it.
Yeah, so you take x squared common, that's
Yeah.
x minus 3, and then minus 2 common x minus 3, as shown here, the factors. Cancel x minus 3, what remains is the answer, right?
Maybe I need more vegetables.
Factorizing cubic will not be always this simple. Yeah, it's just one example which I picked again. But then sometimes we have to think of the factors of 6. Okay. I'll tell you when that comes, yeah? Okay, give this one a go.
Too many.
Do that.
We've done both of this question, if you realize.
But going back in my notes is cheating.
No, but now we are confident that we have dealt it.
I worked lower.
So you factorize the numerator. So that's AC method, 6 split into 1 and 6. Like I said, this question has been done just before a while. Same with 3 times 6 is 18. That's 9 and 2. Keep the factors, put it at the appropriate place and cancel what you can. In this instance is x and 3y. Whatever remains is your answer. Good.
I got that one. See, when I don't show you what's right, and then
Okay, then don't show me. But you'll have to show me once it's done.
Okay.
You'll have to show me at least on 3 instances, assignment 1, assignment 2, and the final exam.
I'm doomed for those ones then.
All good, Ben?
Yep, no problems.
Or he's dying. I did math as well. He's over it.
Okay.
Oh,
I already got the answer, like honestly.
You've done this years on. How many degrees did you say you had? I have none.
I have a diploma.
My Bachelor of Education, that's been done, guys. Go teach some high school kids. Right, the best.
Very positive. Oh, wait, yeah, that makes sense.
What is it?
X plus 1 is on the top. And then 3 bracket x plus 5 and bracket. Damn.
The top is right, not the bottom. You missed something there.
I've got the answer for this one if you want.
Please. Yeah, please,
Um,
please.
so it factorizes to x plus 5 and x plus 1 on the top, and
Mhm.
4 times x plus 5 on the bottom. Cancel out the x plus 5s, you have x plus
Mhm.
1 over 4.
Excellent. That's what he missed out.
Okay.
So kind of
Right. So we factorize this as x plus 1 and x plus 5. This one is 4 times x plus 5. You write them here, x plus 1 and x plus 5, 4 and x plus 5. X plus 5 is gone, x plus 1 over 4. Yeah. So I think you just forgot to cancel something, it looks like. Yeah.
For some reason, I thought if I take out one x plus 5 on the top, then I would only have to get rid of one of the 4x plus 5s on the bottom because of the 4 on the front. But no, that's
It's multiplied, so you cancel the whole factor. Yeah. Right. So multiplication with algebraic fraction, same thing. Cancel where you can. In this instance, nothing will cancel. Everything will remain the same, except a 2. Except a 2. Yeah. Four x and x minus 1 in a denominator, 2x plus 6. That's the only term that can be simplified. Keeping 2 outside and x plus 3 inside, the x minus 5 will stay as it is, canceling a 2 and leaving everything as it is. That's the answer. Okay. Any doubt? I mean, it shouldn't be, but still.
yeah, I was working way slower than that.
No, no. Like I said, nothing else can be done. You don't have to multiply it back inside. No, leave it as it is. Yeah. Just canceling a 2 here. That's the only thing you can do. Just that's it. Yeah. Right. This one can be good question.
I like how simple this one is.
It is. It's very simple. Okay, factorize x square minus 4x plus 3. What is that?
Oh,
X
Oh.
minus 1 and x minus 3.
wait. No, I'm.
This thing.
I really like. Oh, that, yeah, it is.
X minus 3 and x minus 1. This is x plus 3 and x plus 1.
Yeah.
Cancel x plus 1 across, cancel x minus 3 across. What you're left is x minus 1 here. Yeah. And x minus 1 here. And x plus 3 here. That's the answer.
Ah.
4 steps. This are the factor. This 2 are the side of this one. These 2 are the factors of the denominator. X plus 1 gone, x minus 3 gone. What remains? That's it.
I just had no idea how to start that.
How to
Yeah.
solve it?
Now I understand I had to factorize for separate things. I don't know why I thought trying to bring.
No. The beauty of multiplication, and you can call it complicated if you take it that way, they're together, but you don't have to keep them together.
Words.
Yeah. So this cross of x plus 1 is there. You can keep it there, or you can leave it the way it is, but it will still have the same impact. Yeah. Okay. But this makes sense now? Then try this one. Hopefully you get it right. You got it? Show me.
That's very.
Yep, it is. That's right. Got it? See, you showed me still is correct.
Don't start. I'm gonna die.
Okay, so we factorize this, which is x plus 5 and x plus 1. Sorry, what am I writing? Yeah, this is x plus 1, 4 and x plus 5. Put it up here, x plus 5, x plus 1, 4, and x plus 1. Sorry, 4x plus 5 and x plus 1. So this is gone. This is gone. 10 over 4 or 5 over 2 is the answer. Yeah. Division, same way. You flip the numerator, denominator. Convert division into multiplication. Right? Same thing. The division will multiply and flip the numbers. Yeah. So try this one. No?
What did I do?
2x plus 1 and minus 2x minus 1.
Yeah. Where'd your negative go? Oh, you swapped them around.
Yeah.
Never mind.
Correct?
Does it matter which way I?
No. No. You can keep the negative outside if you like.
That's what I did. I was like, that's the same thing.
See, for example, 1 over minus 2 is the same as minus half, the same as negative 1 over 2. Negative can be kept any way you like.
Not change the number completely.
You don't have to. I'm just showing it here that you can. So if someone has changed it, that's also right. One of the simplest question. I've done it step by step, so it looks like a lot of steps. But the first thing is division converted to multiplication, and this two get swapped, right? Then took a negative outside here and cancel what you can. Left the negative, like I said, it can be kept here, can be in the middle, can be in the top, or give it inside. Yeah, that's also possible. There we go. One more. It'll keep on coming.
Oh, yeah,
Yeah.
If you look at all the question that we are doing, it's always about factorizing. So if you got your quadratic factorization correct, then you will be able to deal with the differentiate, division, the multiplication part. Yes, that's great. Okay, so first step is factorizing. So that's x minus 3y and x minus y, x minus 2y and x plus y. This division changed to multiplication and swapping of this two. Yeah. And as you can cancel minus plus, what left is this x minus 3y over x minus 2y. Okay. One more. I'm not sure how many more, but yeah. Mhm. We're already in example 20, so having done 20, 25 practice is a good number. Yes.
Well, oh, well,
You and this one it started. See, I could have reduced the slides and content, right? But I thought we need more practice, and this is the best time of practice, you know?
It's 10.
Correct?
That's just 10.
wait, yeah,
The answer is just 10.
Just 10? Yep. Awesome.
did all that work.
It's a bit disappointing when you do all this working and it's just a number.
Honestly, it is class satisfying after all the rapid, right?
It's like you are after some discovery, and once you realize and you think, oh, you know what I discovered? A peanut. That's what I discovered. And you said, I wasted 3 hours to find out that peanut is underneath, you know, something like that. So you're working hard, then you realize, just 10? I got my answer just 10, and I did all the hard work to get an answer just 10.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And when you're in an exam and you do all this working and then it comes out to such a nice number, it's like something's not right here. This can't be it.
Something is not.
Ugh. The
Yeah.
amount of times I've
It's like
second
25
guessed
marks, and
things.
then your answer's like 5 on the dot, and you're like, well, so
You get both the feeling. If the answer is very complex, you feel like something is not right. If it's very easy, you feel like, is it right? Have I done everything right? You know? But yeah, sometimes, yeah. Right. The next section is rationalizing the denominator. So sometimes denominator is very horrible, containing surds or square root and all that. So we use this fact, x minus y times x plus y, make it x square minus y square. We don't like to keep root in the denominator, right? Okay, so something like this. So what we do here, we multiply this with the opposite sign of the denominator. So if denominator is x plus 3, we multiply with x minus root 3. Yeah. So this is like a plus b, a minus b. Don't worry about the numerator, but the denominators become x square minus root 3 square, this formula. Yeah. And so finally, it becomes 2x times x minus root 3 divided by x square minus 3, which is a better form than what was given. We don't like root in denominator. Yeah. So that's what we mean by rationalizing. Right? You multiply with the reverse sign of the denominator, the opposite sign of the denominator. Don't worry about the numerator and denominator is a square minus b square, that is x square minus 3. The root is gone. The term is, the fraction is rationalized. Yeah. Okay. Try that one, please. The denominator has positive sign, so we multiply with the negative sign, right? Don't ever change this sign. Whatever is your denominator should be your numerator. So that way you are not changing anything. You are multiplying, dividing by the same number, right? Denominator is a minus b, a plus b, a square minus b square, numerator, whatever it is. Leave it as it is or expand it. This is y minus x. Yeah. Okay. Try this one, please.
I think so we've been in the math class at 6 p.m.
We're getting there.
Like it's kind of just soothing in a way because like you just don't hear anything. It's like pitch black. It's just kind of chill.
So
And
I'm
it's
walking
really.
back to my car in the dark.
Oh, I'm walking back home. That's like
That's
20.
terrible.
I can drop you off. That's fine.
I like the walk because
okay.
my body isn't used to it.
Okay.
Besides, I've got a laptop if someone attacks
They wouldn't know it. Only you know it, right?
me. Oh, I guess it does.
Okay. Yep. Yeah, so we got root x minus 1 multiplied. The denominator is a plus b, a minus b. So simply x minus 1 in denominator, right? Addition, subtraction of algebraic fractions. So what we do, we make the common denominator. Same like the numbers, we make the common denominator, right? Okay, so if it is something like this, what we do? We take the least common multiple or make the same denominator, right? Would you like to give it a go?
Yeah.
That's right, we can do it together. 1 plus 1 over x minus 1, the question. There are two different terms, and there is nothing up here, so denominator is 1. So both the term will be multiplied at this place. So x minus 1, x plus 1. I got x minus 1, so I'll multiply with x plus 1. I got x plus 1, so I'll multiply with the minus 1. Yeah. So this becomes x square minus 1. This is plus x plus 1 and minus of x plus 1. Yeah. And then cancel what you can. This is gone. This is gone. The left is x squared plus 1 divided by x squared minus 1. Simple. Yeah. Any questions? Understand that? Yeah. Give this a go. Okay, so what we do, we see two different denominator, x minus 2 and x plus 5. We try to make them even, so it's kind of cross multiplication, right? So we multiply with x plus 5 in the first one and x minus 2 in the second one. Yeah.
That's different.
Mm.
It's calling you it's bedtime.
3x and x and 5 says 15x, same denominator. X square minus 4, same denominator. Combine them with a plus. So 3x square, 15 is x square and 4. 3x square and x square is 4x square. Everything else as it is. That's the answer. Yeah, and we can't cancel any of it, so we'll have to leave it the way it is, right?
I think they just be a perfect
Because nothing is a perfect in the world.
that is really that's the last one.
Okay, and now finally the last question. Once you cross multiply it, you'll have 3x squared plus 3x plus 3. Denominator as it is can't be simplified. Just leave the 3 outside and that's it. Yeah. Any questions? All good? All good, Ben?
Yep, all good.
Kahoot time. Stop the recording. I think it's 5 or 6 question again. Five.
Complete guess, and I got it.
I was thinking it's probably the 3, but I don't know which one it is. I just couldn't map it correctly.
Okay. What is difficult? Oh. Time bound? No, that is 12, right? Plus 6. 12 plus 6 is 18 is equal to 4. So the left hand side is 14, right? Okay. Minus 24 plus 10. So that's minus 14. Here is 28. 14 plus 20 is 42. 14 Z is 42. Z is 3. Okay. Good job, Ben.
Lucky guess then.
Lucky guess, Ben.
Uh,
Sorry, I'm like trying to multiply in my head, and I'm just like, what?
I'm so glad I did it. Yeah.
Good. You don't have to do much here. It's almost 1/10. Almost. Yeah. Is 1/10 is 76, like 2% from it, like very close. So 1/10 of is 375, 2% of is the closest by 368.
That's
Yeah, it's very close because everything else is very far.
That's what I was thinking in my
Yeah.
head. I was just like, is that right?
I just thought for I just thought the new distance was like around 5 times as much as the original, so I just did 5 times that.
Okay.
And I was like, oh yeah,
That works. Yeah, yeah. What did you do, Ben? Did you actually divide?
I did division because I have a calculator here. I just quickly did the division
Yeah.
because the ratio will be the same.
That's true. That's true. Good
So
job. Yep, good job. Good. Good.
Where's D?
It's D, sorry. Yeah, it's D.
Crazy over here.
oh nice, the guess worked.
It worked?
I mean, I just saw the 7 and the 5 in the equation, so I thought they've got to be related somehow.
I matched up with denominators. I was like, surely.
I was completely lost. So
Yeah, in this one, since you'll have to do it the normal way. I can't think of the short trick here, except you multiply everything by 12, because 4 and 3 and 2, the least common multiple is 12. And that way, the equation can be simplified. The quicker you do it, the faster you will be. Yeah.
Yeah.
oh, how the tables turn.
It's just so serious.
Okay, 2 more to go.
Okay, I think
No, it's wrong. I'll pick one of those two. But I thought I could. But I feel like it's.
I think the brace are too. Yeah. I feel like I've been drinking.
Okay. Listen.
Yay.
Well done, Ben.
Yeah, I narrowed it down to one of the bottom two, and then just from there, based on what I could, like, what was going to cancel out, because,
Yeah, I realized there had to be a 3 in the bottom, and I was like, what have I done?
yeah,
I-
because
That
the
would have
top has
cancelled
to
out.
be 2x plus, well, one of the factors is 2x plus 5, whereas the other is x minus 3 for the top. So the only choice was one of the bottom two, and then since x minus 3 would cancel, that
Mm.
means that whatever's down the bottom couldn't be
Yep.
a negative or like something minus something. So green.
Good job.
I
job.
just for some reason I thought 3 divided by 3 is 3. That's
You did that mistake again.
yeah.
Okay. Ben took his time, but got it right.
Okay. That's what I thought.
90-second code. This is a lot.
I am 100% on there. Oh.
So sorry.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh,
I forgot it was negative 29.
So you disregarded that
Definitely. By accident. But
by
I didn't.
accident. Okay. 14 times 15, what's that? 210. How would you split to subtract that? The factors, what do you think? I was not thinking about it,
6
sorry.
and 35.
6 and 35. Good job. Did you get it right or no?
I didn't get it right because when I was like writing down factorizing it, I accidentally wrote plus instead of minus 5. Very silly mistake, but
You know what? I spent a decent time in writing the options. They are very close by.
That's why I was like, oh.
They are very close by. It's not just, so I think of all the possible mistakes that could be made with plus minus, and the options are there. They're not just random options. Okay, so P looks like
Hold on, I'm not fair.
you will be.
No, I'm
You
not.
will be.
Thank you very much.
So that's what I said. Fee will be the winner. That's what I said. No. Because you got the last one right. Yeah.
yeah.
How do you know?
That's good.
I got the participation trophy.
No, you are third.
Yeah.
We don't see how many participants were there, right? But you are third. That's what matters.
hurt is that I got my answer down first. I just didn't look at the damn circle. I don't like that circle. I want my cakes to have points.
Yeah, thank you. That was great.
It's good to be here. I'll
Yes.
see you in a couple weeks, I guess.
See you in 2 weeks. Yes.
Yeah.